students, the next semiconductor device is, all of you concentrate, don't write. You can take a screenshot. Otherwise, I have given all this thing into the notes. Okay. So, what is solar cell? What is the next semiconductor device? Next semiconductor device is what? Solar cell. Name itself. What is solar cell? Solar cell name itself indicates what? It converts solar energy into what? Electrical energy. Electronic students may know. Okay. What is solar cell? मतलब how electrical solar energy converted into what? Electrical energy. But for biology students also you have to understand. So now we will see the construction. But before that, what is that? Okay. So it is a semiconductor device that converts solar energy into what? Electrical energy. Symbolical representation you can see over here. Don't draw the diode symbol. Just capacitor symbol. You give the circle. Here P, here N. Okay. But the positive terminal connect shows what? P, and negative terminal shows what? N type region. And you have to show these two arrows. Arrow indicates what? Light falls on the solar cell. Okay. What is the principle? Principle is based on photovoltaic effect. Photovoltaic effect means what? Photoelectric effect. You know that. When light falls on photosensitive material, electron release. Okay. So that particular effect, but that is a principle we are going to use over here. So just let me explain the construction, because construction I have not written. It is given into the notes. So if you know the diagram, if you are able to draw the diagram, you can, from the diagram also you can write down the construction. You can see over here this particular solar cell consists of what? PN junction diode. On PN junction diode, we observe that there is a glass cover is there. Okay, through the on the glass cover, light falls. Okay, below the cover, you can find anti-reflecting coating. Anti-reflecting coating means what? That energy should not enter into the substrate, that is PN junction. Only light falls, it absorbs the energy, but light doesn't go into the substrate. Okay, that's why we use here anti-reflecting coating. When light falls, this is a simple construction, and you observe here there are two contacts, front contact and back contact. Why these contacts are provided? Because across this particular contact we are going to connect load. This load consists of some LED, some small motor, DC motor, which will operate on what? Some 1 or 2 voltage DC. Okay. So this is simple construction. You can see arrow represent what? Red arrow represent light falls on the glass cover, and then energy is what? Absorbed by this PN junction diode. And what will happen when energy is absorbed? Let me explain the working. So at junction, depletion layer, because यहाँ पे you will find P and N, between P and N there is a junction. Okay, and across that junction, depletion layer and potential barrier build up, because it works in the reverse bias. And due to that, what will happen? Due to that, you will find electron hole pair will generate. Electron hole pair will generate. Okay, and that barrier potential, because when depletion layer is formed, barrier potential will generate, and barrier potential will shift पॉजिटिव होल्स फ्रॉम एन टू पी. ओके, तो जो पॉजिटिव होल्स है वो यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे पी में, और जो निगेटिव इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है इट विल शिफ्ट फ्रॉम पी टू एन. ओके, तो pushes electron into n side and holes into p side. When this happen, what will be result? Here positive charges will develop and negative charge will develop. Means what? यहाँ पे pd, potential difference will develop. Potential difference means what? Some voltages are developed. And if I connect some load, suppose LED, some motor, uh, small HP motor, then that motor will rotate. That motor will operate on 1 volt. So if load is connected, then current will start flowing. When load is connected, then current will start flowing. Okay, you remember that. Without load, current will won't start. And how much? Abhi question is from students is what? A question I ask students say, sir, how much voltage is developed by the solar cell? So that is not too much voltage. So that what? Fan, TV, or refrigerator, washing machine, mixer will operate. It generates hardly 0.5 voltage to 1.5 voltage. Matlab only LED and small DC device. If motor is operating on 1 volt, then it will operate. Okay, the device which will operate between 0.5 voltage DC and 1.5 voltage DC. Yeah? Then we will say this solar cell is what applicable. Okay. Hope so you understood the construction, working, and symbolic representation and the diagram of this particular solar cell.